What's up, guys? We're over here at the shop. Just got to Bryan's. Everybody's over here. I just jacked the car up, got it up on the jack stands, and something definitely is broken. It could be, like I said, the nut sealer come loose. But check this out. I drove it in here and it drove in fine. But look, so it rolls backwards fine. But when you try to roll it forward, it locks. Oh. I can't get it to budge going forward hardly at all. But so I'm hoping it's just loosening the nut up. But I'm gonna snatch the weights off real fast and pull the cover off of it, see what's up, see what's in there. Let's see what we got. Okay, drive shafts out. Check this out. This thing is super loose. The pinion nut, I just dropped the drive shaft. The pinion nut is finger tight, so the tire shake definitely got it. If it done on the last pass, so I may be okay. Let's see. Okay, so we tightened up the pinion nut and pulled the cover off, and everything seems to be fine. I got a little clicking noise over here in the brakes. It doesn't have the anti-rattle clips on it, I think they're called. So the rear end gear is good, so it spins fine. So I'm gonna take the nut back loose real fast on the pinion, put a dab of Loctite on it, and put it back together. So I got lucky. So that's a little less work today, so that's a good thing. And you see there's no issues with my welds, other than they're ugly, but my weight brackets are holding pretty good. I've pinned the axle tubes. I don't know if y'all have ever seen that before or not, but pretty basic stuff. Not the best welding. I think we're good to go. Let's put it back together. So we're back in shape down here, so that's good. So my shock settings, I'm changing those, making them more firm. They were actually on 10 clicks from soft, so I got them all the way soft now. So it's 18 clicks total. So we're gonna make these a little firmer. So I went 16 on compression and 15 on rebound. Let's go ahead and go 16 and 16. So those are now very tight. Very, very tight. So we'll see if that works or not. Okay, so I got both sides done. So now we are ready to go full show. So the back is done. We don't have anything else to do under here. So the only thing I need to do now is go under the hood, and I've got to adjust the front struts a little bit, and then I'm going to adjust the valves real fast, and then we should be ready to rock and roll tomorrow. And you can see this is something else. I don't know if y'all have ever seen this or not on my anti-roll bar. This is like a UPR anti-roll bar, and so I was having some flex, so I made it like a truss system. Yeah, my welding sucks. It was MIG welded and it's hard to get to, but it worked. It stiffened that up big time, made it a lot stiffer. Okay, so I may need to loosen the shocks up a little bit. Check this out. This is what you're afraid of when it's too tight. So they're on 16 extension and compression, and it is tight. See, the tire is bouncing. So the shocks are basically locked down at this point. So with the shocks being locked down, you know, everything's got to work perfect. It's going to be slow to separate where it's at. And once it does start separating, you know, it's not going to be able to compress back. So we'll see. I don't know. That's why I'm going to try it. 15 pounds of air pressure. So up here on the front, the struts I have up front, this is my extension setting here. And you see I've got it marked just with a little groove so I can tell where it's at. This has only got 3 rounds, so it's about halfway now. It's 2 turns from being full tight. So I'm gonna tighten the extension up completely on the front, and then the compression down there on the bottom, it should be fully tight already, so I'll just make sure on that. So then I'll check the valve lash real fast, and then we'll be done for the night. This is for you. So just got through adjusting the rockers. The valves are set, so we are ready to go. So all I gotta do is put the valve covers back on it. You see these things are pretty easy to take off. With the coils mounted to the valve covers, all you gotta do is just unhook the main harness plug here and take the spark plug wires off, and it comes right apart. Yes, I still have the hole in my fender. It is not done yet, but hopefully I will be doing that soon. The reason I have some multicolored rocker arms, the blue ones, they're T&Ds, and the silver ones are T&Ds. But when I got this set of rocker arms, I had some that were messed up. I bought them used, of course, and there were a few that were messed up, so I found an old NASCAR guy, and he had some, and so I got some spares too. He sold me a whole bunch of them for like $5 a piece or something. So it is ready to go. I think that's all we got to do. We ain't got much to do. John's over there. Bryan just walked outside. Keith's hanging out by the heater.
Yep.
He's been working on his truck. John's messing with his, so his will be running soon. So I think Bryan, I'm gonna get mine out of the way, and I think Bryan's gonna push his in here, and he's gonna mess with his for a few minutes, and I think he's gonna take his tomorrow as well. So Bryan is working on his. Bryan, what are you doing to it?
Just to put a 150 housing on.
150 housing is going on it. He had a 132 on it, G trim. He's got a big motor, so he'll be okay to put a little bit bigger one on it, make it a little less violent. So he's going to try to make some passes tomorrow too. So hopefully it should be good. Hopefully it'll be fun. I like the patina. That's awesome. Boy, that thing sounds rowdy.
It does,
That 150 housing really, it like opens it up so that the exhaust can bang. That thing sounds great. All right, well, Bryan's is ready. Going tomorrow?
Yeah, I guess we'll go and see.
I'm taking mine, he's taking his. So we're gonna be there. If y'all are close to Thunder Valley, come out. Although you'll be seeing this, the racing may already be done by the time they see this. All right, we're going to Thunder Valley. All right, guys, if y'all are close to Thunder Valley, Red Springs, North Carolina, we will be out there Sunday, February 2nd. Come and see us.